Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1965 Ford Mustang. Actually it's the second year of the Ford Mustang. The original was always called the 64 and a half, but going back to the one we have here featuring a maroon exterior, still has the original style Mustang hubcaps on it. Going into the interior now, as you can see, is an automatic on the floor. Our speedometer is working very well, got good mileage. Temperature is coming up a little bit now. Of course, these dumb Teslas are always in our way. But other than that, it has a late model JVC audio system tune-up with the cassette. The old-fashioned Mustang steering wheel, which after I make this slight turn up here, the horn still works. So you can honk at all those people in your way or just show off a little bit. But one of the coolest things about this car, and yes, we're going to say cool because it features an aftermarket AC system, but going underneath the hood features an inline 6, which is very unusual. I've never seen an aftermarket AC kit installed in a 6-cylinder. Usually, most of the time with these old cars, people would transfer from a 6-cylinder to a V8, 289 or 302. But going up the road, 6-cylinder runs pretty good, pretty stable, running cool, and just a fine little ride for a Friday. But other than that, now we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.